How to install a Netflix application in your Windows. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to do so you may follow out this method. So we can start by clicking on the Start menu and there just go over and access our Microsoft Store directly. Let's open it up from here. And in the search bar, we can directly type in Netflix. So wait for this to load up, find the search at the top, and there type in Netflix and hit enter. And when you do, you will be finding the application here. You can open it up and go ahead and click on this install option or get, and then wait for the installation to finish. And once it is installed, you can click on open and sign in, and the app will now appear in your start menu. This is one of the method available. If not this, what we can do is we can just go over and download it from Chrome as well. So access your browser, even if not Chrome, any of the browser, and we can go to netflix.com, hit enter, and once we find it up, we can sign in if we're not signed in, and click on the three dots in the top, look out for cast, share, and save, and look out for the option called create shortcut, and create a shortcut for Netflix. Click on create and confirm it up, and you will be finding the Netflix application on your device. You can search for it, and there we go. You can open it up like an app on your PC. And that's it, everybody. These two are the methods you can follow up. That should probably work out for you if you want to install Netflix on your PC. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.